got my fall crops in. I wanted to just talk a bit about that with you guys, just to remind you that now's the time to do that. So if you're going to go and if you want to have carrots, beets, winter radishes, turnips and stuff like that for winter, you got to get them in now. At least if you're in a climate close to mine. I'm in a hey folks, welcome. I'm in a zone 6B in this area of the world, the Okanagan Valley. And so if you're similar to my climate, you're going to want to get things in quick. If you're a zone 7 or higher, you got a little bit longer. You know, once you get into the higher zones, it's not really as much of an issue. It's a different kind of animal, which I'm not super familiar with, actually. I don't know what all the planting dates are for that. But if you're anywhere near me, so I would say if you're anywhere in central interior BC, as far as middle of Oregon, as far east as, you know, most of Idaho and in that direction, Wyoming, you're going to want to get stuff in the ground now for the winter. So what I planted today, and I'll have a vlog coming. I vlogged it this morning, so it'll be up tomorrow from the field. But did all of my winter carrot planting, got all of my another round of beets, put in turnips, Scarlet Queen turnips, put in some winter radish, red meat radish, black Spanish radish. Those are 60-day crops, so they got to go in now. And I actually hand transplanted some romaine, and I think it should be enough time. We're going to put caterpillar tunnels over those spots, so they will have a little more time than they would if they were just outside. So we'll get those tunnels up by, I'd rather put them up when it's cooler, frankly, because it's so hot right now. It would suck to be standing out there and being on ladders and doing all that kind of work when it's punishing hot. Thankfully, it's kind of cloudy today, which is nice. But it's so hot. It's really uncomfortable putting tunnels up in the heat. There is an advantage, though. I will say the advantage to putting greenhouses up in the summer heat is that when you put the plastic on, it stretches, and then you can get it nice and tight. And then in the fall, it tightens up, and you really get a nice firm plastic. But you know, you can do it in the spring and winter too. It doesn't really matter that much, but it does, that tightening up is nice in the fall.